Pay $1 million fine if you breach rules in gated communities. That's one of the proposals under the Registration Shared Community Act, which was tabled in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
A massive increase in gated communities, but no proper legislation to govern them. The proposed Registration Shared Community Act will therefore provide a regulatory framework. The Real Estate Board will oversee their use and operations. It will receive and process initial applications for registration, issue certificates of registration, keep a register, and facilitate disputes between proprietors and community corporations. The Real Estate Board can also order the removal of animals if it breaches the rules. And if a resolution passed by the community corporation is compromised, the board can rule that the resolution is of no effect. A shared community plan must therefore be registered with the authorities. Under the proposed legislation, maintenance fees will become mandatory. Gated communities, called community corporations, are authorized to have a long-term maintenance fund to cover costs. There's also a provision for a separate capital improvement fund for spending to upgrade communities. The gated community can also make additional rules called bylaws to regulate control, management, administration, use and enjoyment of the common property. If certain bylaws are breached, the community corporation can seek remedy in court. The proprietor, their agent, or person occupying the premises can be ordered to pay up to $1 million for certain breaches. The Registration Shared Community Act was tabled by Robert Montague, the minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Infrastructure Development. MP for Southeast St. Andrew Julian Robinson reacted to the proposed law.
I represent a constituency that probably has the largest number of gated communities in the entire country. I had a very cursory look at the bill. It has very far-reaching implications for how those gated communities operate, legally and otherwise. I believe it is in the best interest of the Parliament and the country for a bill like this, which is being introduced for the first time, to be referred to a joint select committee where you can have stakeholders review it, give their comments before going through this process. So I'm not here to comment on the substantive nature of the bill, but to recommend that it be referred to a joint select committee.
We're just moving to have the bill read the first time, and we're not going through the conclusion.
So we'll
stages.
take the first reading.
And we will, as always, this government and this side always consult with stakeholders, always.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.